Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Hello guys, hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello, depends on where you are watching me from and depends on when you come across this video. Good morning. Hello. My message to Izzy Ogbede. Izzy Ogbede, Queen. Good morning, sweetheart. Izzy Ogbede, I dey come across your video this period when Saga the Facebook. I dey see the videos when you dey do. The way where you take the talk say that they saga you on top of your pregnancy. Now so this one, now so that. Na so awase me yoru iwase gbe me yoru. Me, I don't understand you. I don't understand you at all. Because the way you take the talk sometimes, me, I dey imagine whether you yourself, whether you dey pity yourself. So kind videos where you dey do, where they see. You will be say you get belle, you no pity for yourself. Now people where they look you, now you say maybe they pity for you, or people where you they talk to. Even when the saga concern you, when it don't concern you. Now so you just don't come out. Come they talk, come they do over sabi. Where you over sabi, if they can't talk to you, you can't say you want to kill yourself. You can't they come out, they force yourself, they talk. Even when you they do the live video self, and they look you. You just they force yourself, they talk. You just inside bed. They roll for inside bed. Or your vein go just they come out for your neck. Sometimes I go they imagine, I say, which kind of person be this one? This girl not the pity for herself. She not just the pity for herself. Just come out, they shout. Just they shout, they talk. The one way consign her, the one way not consign her. At the end, she will they play a victim. Who are you, Boruo? Eramene sule. Of you say, Isha, walk bajaria. Now let you start on. Say they come from Muse. Uyo hano ye Boruo. Why ye Boruo? You me. He know the year word for you. Since when you take get belle, no day when you know they do saga. When you know they fight trouble, you go they do over sabi. You will just they do over sabi, they talk. Both the one way they for call you, both the one way they not for call you. Then they will well so le have us we. Abi issue we have us we. Oro bogo bokpa wa tunu we. E have go we go. Then oro bogo era me ye, ije me le run. E dey no ma o emi, my sister give we agbere yin wo. Gbere yin wo go to am egbe. But you are, I know many people will come from that house. I know many people will come from that to say, they know they rake as you they rake. Unuje. You own too much. You too they get mad. Just they rake. Eh? You always say you want to drop us, you go. I don't know where you say you want to draw and go. Area web. When I walk pani, you want to see area web. Or you have a serious place. Where to everywhere? Where married to where? Where to go when no large have social media do away is saga. We married to where? We married to mama. Abu walk bajare. Ija. I will be a mama. I will almost oveko. I will almost oveko. Walk bajare. I don't understand that girl. So I just tired. I just tired. I don't understand that. I just see her video. You see, they annoying me. I will just they look and say, this girl, she know the pity for herself. She dey look for money, oh. Buy baby things. Yeah, not be husband she marry. Why she go dey look for money when she want to buy baby things? I be not be man give her the belly. Not be man give you belly easy. When you look for baby things, I don't say that money you dey find. I know. When they come out every now and then, they come out every now and then, just they do video every day. Yeah? Just they stress yourself. I even see one video when you dey inside bed. The way where you can't even be safe. For my man, I say this girl not go off this video. May you relax. You dey stress yourself. You dey stress the pregnancy. But at the end, you dey blame person where sit down in you. Say now, if you not go fair talk to them, they go talk to you. I go work one. I go work one. Even the man when you even marry, he not supposed to tell you, they talk to you. The man when you marry, if really that boy, if na real man, he supposed to talk to you for tell you, say me you enter house first. Make you fair born. Say if you don't born finish, you feel come back. It's that guy le easy. Because now you talk and say, how you saga by how are you saga by no problem. Come there's saga by but fair born first. You hear me? Fair born. Before you come, they do the saga what you want to do. Nobody stop you not to do saga. But born first. Before you can continue the saga. Yeah, the pity for yourself. The pity for yourself. And then you borrow uruogbe. So that's how they look you. I'll say, when I make kevere na ji. When I make kevere. Wa ye borrow. What bajari no kuseri. Era o emive bonokpa. Ijwe o emive bonokpa. Iya ke o emive. Yoka ke ni akari we to taka advise you. They go advise you. If really. Before they would iya ke a o emi ni a o. She is the one that married him. I just tired. That one they obvious now. Na make me here. Where not be today now. Fake life. Now be today, you don't say where we they see that one. Say now she married him. That one are normal now. You know even they see her. Even looking at her alone. Now once you tell no. Just see her alone. Now once then you tell no say now she married the man. Because the man not get voice. The man not get voice for where is he dey. She go even dead there. They stress herself. You go even they call that one say bring water, bring this, bring that. I don't be say now normal thing, sha. If you tell your husband may help you bring something or maybe may he give you anything. Now normal thing. But my sister, the way where your own be, I will well my sister. Me I know they call that one. In fact, all those ones now fake life. Fake life. You they find money all by all means. You they find money. Inigo nene YouTube wari mwena easy. Inigo no magwaya mudiane no biene we biene hey. Why if you like come in fact carry saga they use until they sleep. That will not be problem. But for now, be calming down. Easy. Be calming down. Easy. If I go born first. Before you come live video, come they do saga. I don't feel born. I know I be. I know I be when be say belly don't big finish like that. Supposed to they take things easy. They take things easy because the more they see your video, the thing they annoy me. And they imagine. On a kwemera, na kwemeje. Na kweme omano we seti we gwegwa. Awa weni obiere maybe only ma seti we gwegwa no very. The elderly one way even the Facebook now. All on a mommy there. When supposed to tell you say no, my pikin wait first. Fair born before you start the saga. All those who are safe. Now they go even draw you enter. Say do they by man by abu. Mo na big group. Gang. All that your gang, they're not even reach to tell you. Say easy, fair wait first. Fair born. They just they draw you, they put your head. They put for inside. Go come out, they do how many hours video top of pregnancy. Then you dey blame who sit down in you. Say they not pity you, you get belle. This, if you the thought that one, that is the vex me. They imagine say, I don't understand this girl. Now wow, they take things easy. This is your birthday. I just want to talk to you this morning. I know call her advice because if you say be that way, you want to advise me. I just want to talk to you. If you know the pity for yourself, don't expect me other people to pity for you. Don't mind that. She don't know what she wants. I just tire. She don't know what she wants at all. She don't know what she wants. It surprised me. It surprised me when I see pregnant woman sit down. They use all strength, all her strength. They talk. Over sabi where's your baby? Over sabi be. You just want to do the over sabi. Just they talk. They open all your mouth. Inia yala dia with buwe. Abelinia. We are going. We are yet in way ya tenenemi. They stress the baby. Because of saga. I don't say me you not do saga. You do saga na normal thing. Una even they entertain us. Really, even me I dey like the saga. Now they entertain us, but fair go born first. If you don't born finish, do they buy ya? Okay? If you don't born finish, come. That's they don't like us, so they can't advise her for where. They don't go advise her. You know, say they want to make she still join them. They want to make she join the group of saga. Even the old saga, to even start with the first one where she even do, even they look and say, I not expect. I feel say maybe she go do one, maybe she just, maybe that first one, maybe she rest. For where? Every time he just they come out, they do the thing, they do the thing. The one where even concern her, the one where no even concern her. She just they come out, they repeat the thing. They do saga. At the same time, go say, we now, and they walk, one of them when they been, which walk with the walk? We not tell the fake life where you they live. Fake life. Because of that, you want meet up. You want meet up. They find money by all means. Our winner. Your husband know they work. I be not a person give you the belly. Your husband know they work. Now wow. When you take things easy with yourself, before we take things easy. Now today, not be today, not be we don't, I mean, I can't mean it better than what do we live video now. Ma can't mean it better than our no makiani. Mami better. So not be to that's why if I hear they see some of now, they make math. Just they make math for live video. I just they laugh. I mean it better than my sister. Take things easy with yourself. The way you they come out every now and then, they do saga is getting out of hand. If anybody not tell you, I will tell you. I know say your family, they not face to tell you. Maybe they tell you, maybe you not listening. Because over sabu where easy. Not be here, I'm a boy. Wasabu where. And if not matter where jidni, if I will not feel go. If I will not feel go. Okay, my people. I wait till I just get to talk, to tell her. Okay now. Una bye bye o. Una ciao. Easy ogbede. Where Kyle? I say some talk. Abi. Who down you? Take your time. Okay? Bye bye.